Hello. This is to kind of walk you through what your assignments are going to look like this week and where you're going to find them. So when you first go on to Schoology into our class or even just into Schoology as it is, you should be able to come over to the right hand side and you'll notice each date on the calendar tells you that you have something to do for English. So Tuesday 4:14 daily assignment, etc. If it doesn't show up here, okay, when you go into our class, which is block 1, you are going to click on distance learning activities, April 14th through April 17th, okay? And then there's two ways you can open this. You can click on that little down arrow and it will give you your options. Or if you click on the folder itself, it will bring you to a new window. And again, you can choose the assignment for that day. Any of those options would work. And so when I go into today's assignment, all right, your instructions are that you're going to be reviewing the core knowledge roots, and you can listen to it here. But once you've read the directions, you have 3 attempts to complete the assignment. So once you submit, if you aren't pleased with your score, you can have another attempt, but only up to 3. Once you have clicked Start New Attempt, it's then going to bring you to those questions. The question options that you have for today are matching, which will look like this. Then you also have true, false, and you have some where you have to use your knowledge of the root word in order to identify what the word might mean in a sentence. The one thing that I do want to bring your attention to is you'll notice there are point values. We have this set random. So as you're working, the practice portion of it, what we really want you to be able to do are those 0 point ones in order to prepare you for the question that is worth 10 points. So as you're taking the assessment or the work for today, the one that is worth 10 points is the one that's really going to be a good show of if you're really understanding the root words. So as I'm working, if it were me, I would probably wait until the end to do that 10 point because the rest of these are really great practice for me to get to the 10-point question. So scroll around and see where that is or as you're working, but you're matching all of the roots from today from practicing at that last question, at that 10-point question. Please let me know if you have any questions on the work for today. Thank you.